instant help with your ticket refund using the Swiss Chat Assistant. The Swiss Chat Assistant helps with questions concerning your flight at any time. For example, if your flight has been cancelled at short notice and you would like to have your ticket refunded. It's really easy. Did you buy your ticket from Swiss, Lufthansa, or Austrian Airlines? And is your flight operated by one of these airlines? You can request a refund of your ticket instantly using the Chat Assistant. First, go to swiss.com/chat and click on Start Chat. Select Refund My Ticket and enter your booking code and your last name. You will then get information about your current booking. Now select Check Refund to see the amount to be refunded to you. Complete the process by clicking on Perform Refund. Finally, you'll receive an email confirmation of your refund. That's it, easy and without waiting times. The Swiss Chat Assistant is available 24/7 with more services. Please visit swiss.com/chat.